Hi all, this is Selvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. The purpose of this channel to cover from basic to advanced networking, including the latest networking technologies. So here I have connected switch is connected to a router, and to this switch I have connected two different hosts. So this switch I have configured as a DHCP server. So the clients will be getting IP address from this switch, that is a DHCP server. Now let us go to the switch and view the configuration. So I'm going to view the DHCP pool configuration. IP DHCP pool followed by the pool name, and this is a network address 192.168.1.0, that is 24-bit mask. So what this means is it will take the IP, the clients will get the IP in the range of 192.168.1.1 to 1.254. So these two addresses are excluded, 1.1 to 1.2. This is a default router, so I excluded this IP address from the DHCP pool, and this is a default router. So this default router is nothing but a router IP address, that is 1.2. So now let us view the configuration. Show IP DHCP binding, right? So this will show the IP address of the client. So one is getting 1.4. Go here and click here. It is 1.3, right? One is getting 1.3 and another is getting 1.4. So both the clients are getting IP address from the switch, that is a DHCP server. So that binding database, DHCP database I'm seeing here, that IP address and the corresponding client ID, and what is the type. Type is automatic because it is taking IP automatically through DHCP, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to configure the DHCP snooping. Go to configuration mode, specify IP DHCP snooping. So this will enable the snooping, and I'm going to enable the snooping for VLAN 1, right? Okay, so now let us view the configuration. Show IP DHCP snooping VLAN. Let us view here. See, so now it is showing it is enabled, right? DHCP snooping. So it is showing DHCP snooping is enabled. So now I have to make one as a trusted interface. So trusted is showing no, because all these will be treated as an untrusted interface. So now I have configured IP DHCP snooping and IP DHCP snooping VLAN 1, right? But still I have not configured any interface as a trusted one. So now let us go to the client and check it, whether it is getting the IP or not. I will tell what is the reason. See, it is getting an 169 range. If the DHCP is failed, so this is also getting 169 range. That is, it is not getting the IP from the DHCP server. That is a switch. What is the reason means I have configured DHCP snooping, and also I configured the DHCP snooping for VLAN 1, right? Everything I have done, but I have not configured anything as a trusted. So what will happen by default, this both the interface, right? Both these ports will be treated as an untrusted port. So what happened, even though I configure DHCP snooping, this will not get the IP. So the DHCP failed and it will get the APIPA IP address. So what I have to do, I have to make one interface as a trusted one, right? So what I'm going to do, this one I will make it as a trusted one. So go to configuration mode on interface fast Ethernet 0x2 and make it as a trusted IP DHCP snooping trust, right? So now let us view the configuration. Show IP DHCP snooping. So now see, one is treated as a trusted one. So this trusted interface will get the IP. This client connected to this interface will get the IP. Let us go here. So this is getting the IP because this I made it as a trusted interface, and this will get the automatic private IP addressing, that is the APIPA IP. So DHCP failed. Since I would this make it as an untrusted, right? So by default this will be as an untrusted. So this get an APIPA IP. This I made it a trusted interface, right? So trusted port always get the IP address from the DHCP server. So this is how DHCP snooping works. So first I have to enable DHCP snooping. Then I enable DHCP snooping for VLAN 1. Then I have to make one interface as a trusted one. If I'm not doing that, all the ports will be treated as an untrusted. So this is how DHCP snooping works. So always the clients will get the IP only from the trusted interface, only from the trusted source. So from the untrusted source, it will discard the packet. So this is how DHCP snooping works. So how I can view the DHCP binding database. Show IP DHCP snooping. I told about DHCP snooping database. IP DHCP snooping. So it is showing, right? So let us see the binding database. So now you are able to see the binding database, right? 1.4, which is a trusted one, and it is getting the corresponding MAC address, the client MAC address. So this binding table is nothing but it will contain all the information of the trusted host with the MAC address, right? So this is treated as an untrusted one. So that is the reason this is not getting the IP address. So this is how DHCP snooping works. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you.